Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you this brand new Archero hack that I just discovered, and it's working on both Android and iOS devices without you having to root or jailbreak your phone. This is working on the highest score, and you will be able to do extra damage to the opponents. They will not attack you back, and you will have unlimited health. So it's pretty much very easy, and you can pass any level and become the best player. As you can see right now, I am just going through the levels very easily, and do extra damage to the opponent, and they do not attack me back, as you can see guys. So this is a simple app injection. I will show you how you can get this Archero hack mod right now. Okay, open up your browser, Safari or Chrome, and go to appmod.live. Appmod.live is the website. Okay, and once you're here guys, all you have to do is press this install button under the Archero icon. And after this, it will say something like, welcome to Archero app injection. To get started, we first need to inject the content into this app. This is a simple process, and you will only have to do this once to get access to no damage hack. So let's do just that. Let's press the get started button. Okay, and it will sometimes redirect us to this web page. Do not worry, from what I understand, this is human verification to prevent bots from abusing the site and selling the Archero mod hack on the internet for money. Let's keep it free by following the instructions. Download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds to unlock unlimited health and higher damage. So let's do just that. Let's choose any two apps from the list and follow the instructions for each app. Okay, the first app I chose is Postmates, but you can choose any app for that matter, to be honest. Okay, let me go ahead and choose another one, ZenMate VPN. Okay, I already downloaded the apps, but I'll have to update them. From what I can see, you'll have to download them first and then keep them open for at least 30 seconds as the instructions stated. So let's wait for this update to finish. Okay, let's open the app. And use it for at least 30 seconds or so. Choose your location and then maybe order some food. As you can see, it's very easy and is the only working Archero hack that I could find. The other ones just wasted my time, with the exception of this method that I'm showing you right now guys. So you can also delete the apps after you're done with them. Now let me go ahead to the second app, ZenMate VPN. This is a VPN offer. We'll have to register an account first and use the VPN app for at least 30 seconds or so. Okay, just type in an email real quick, and here type in a password. Make sure that it matches, and that's pretty much the tutorial guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, share it with your friends, like the video.